Right, what's going on, everyone? So this video we're in a Fiesta ST. I'm with Tay. Tay, tell us a little bit about this car. Let's go stock figures first. So what did you pay for it, and what did you have when it?
Right, so base figure paid 13.5 grand for this, but I did buy it on a PCP initially.
Yeah.
So all in, once I'd finally paid off the PCP, I did pay it off early, but it still cost me about 18 grand.
Right, okay.
That's for the car before the mods.
That's brand new then, I'm guessing.
Yeah. Actually, no, sorry, I bought it second hand.
Okay, cool. Open it up. Don't mind opening it up here. This fan gets it. So what have you had done to it then? So what makes it cool like that?
Right, so I'm not going to jump around with stage 1, stage 2. Let's just go straight to the setup that we've got now. So we're currently running a fully optimized stage 3 setup. So stage 3, one of the biggest differences compared to stage 2 and stage 3. Stage 3 has got a hybrid turbo. Yeah. So this hybrid turbo is called the VT330R from a company up north called AET Turbos.
Okay.
So this isn't the first turbo that I had from them. The first turbo I had from them was the Perrin V1.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah. So the first hybrid turbo that I had, being the Perrin V1, took the car up to about 260 brake. It was rated to 280.
Just out of interest, did you go to Perrin and have that fitted, or did you order it and you did it?
Just ordered it.
So to clarify, you've done all the work. You've done pretty much all the work yourself,
Yeah, so I've done everything myself. So I had the V1, got it up to about 260 brake, kept trying to push it to 280, but no matter, any time I put it on the dyno, I just couldn't reach that figure. So ended up going home. I thought, right, I'm going to go to the next up. So I ended up ordering the VT330R, bought it second hand, but it was pristine. I paid about £1,000 for it.
Right.
When it's 1,600 brand new just for that turbo.
Yeah.
So I thought, you know what, if I'm going to be buying a second hybrid turbo, I'm not paying like a brand new price for it.
Yeah.
So ordered that in, fitted that, and got it onto the dyno. We initially done 317 brake, and then started to tweak it a little bit more, and then we got up to 330 brake, which is
a lot for a Fiesta. Yeah. So future plans then, what are you gonna...
Future plans, so I've got a spare gearbox chilling indoors, which I'm going to fit a limited slip differential to.
Oh right,
because this was the daily when I only had one car.
Yeah.
Anything you do to it, you need to have most minimal amount of downtime. So, if you're going to do something to your car, you want to get it done within that day. You haven't got enough time to have it two or 3 days in. So I've got a spare box indoors. I'm going to get a limited slip diff.
Nice.
Fit it to that, get that box built up, drop this box off. I'm going to change the clutch over at the same time, because we're now pushing, what we're on to now, 53,000 miles, same clutch, and this clutch has been abused. So it's about time we change the clutch over at the same time. We'll do the slave, we'll also do the slave cylinder as well. So I think really it just comes down to handling, because power wise, 300,
that's enough for a front wheel drive car.
Yeah, 330 brake horsepower in a front wheel drive car is more than enough. I was at the pub with one of my old bosses, was watching the England game, and this was when, remember the year everyone thought that it was coming home. The memes on Facebook, and we honestly thought that it was coming home.
Yeah.
And then what happened? We lost.
Yeah.
Right, so we're in the pub. Obviously he's been drinking, I just had like maybe a beer or that, and then I thought, you know what, Gary? We've got the whip. We went out for a tear, instantly we forgot that we lost the match.
It
was heartbroken, and after that, smile car is just insane. I don't know if there's any other cars. I haven't driven any other cars modified like this, but that's why I don't think I'll ever get rid of it.
Nice one, Tay. Cheers, buddy. It's a good experience. Is there any social media you want to put in this video?
If you want to get me on Instagram, is at stgxp. YouTube is stgx, and that's about it.
Sweet. Don't forget, guys, like and subscribe to this video. Check out our Instagram, rlinert_rt, and if you've not already done so, check out the go-karting, 17th of August. It's £160 a team, or if you want a single driver, 80 quid a person, get booked, and we'll see you there.